Hey, what's going on? Tsai here. So in this video, I want to show a really powerful tool that you can use to generate highly professional thumbnails within minutes. And this tool is called Thumbnail Blaster. So you can go to nicktsai.com/thumbnail blaster to check this tool. Right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to connect with your YouTube channel. Right. So after you connect with your YouTube channel, then you can go to see there all of your videos are already listed here. Then you can choose the one you want to change the thumbnail. Maybe this one, right? Then we can go to click on next step. Then they will recommend some thumbnail templates for you. So you don't have to use either of them. You can click on cancel. Then you can go to check their templates, right? So there are so many of them, as you can see, and it's really beautiful and highly professional, right? So maybe we choose this one. Then we can start like edit these templates, right? So you can change the image here. Then you can change the text here, right? Right, so you can change the text here. Then you can also change the size here. Then you can remove the image here, right? So you can go here and remove it. Then you can go here and you can upload your image, or you can use the system's image, or you can use your own, right? So like this one. Then I can go here to remove color, right? So right now I can remove the background within seconds, right? So I can change the length. So it's look good right now. Then I can also choose the background and change the background, right? So, and I can also add more image here and to make it more professional. Maybe like this one. So I drag and drag an image here. Right, so I can change the size. Then I can change layers. I want to move it to the buttons. So I can also change the opacity here. Right, so as you can see, right now I created a really professional thumbnails within minutes, right? So that's really powerful. So that right now you can save as JPG, or you can save and continue to update your thumbnail. So that's really powerful. So that's how you can create a highly professional thumbnails within minutes. So this software also got a really powerful feature called AI Image Analyzer. So you can go there to upload your image, and they will give you some suggestions like how you can make this image better. So that's really powerful. And also they have split tested, right? So you can go here to start a new split testing here. So that's really powerful as well. So this is a Thumbnail Blaster. You can go to nicktsai.com/thumbnail blaster to get this tool. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.